How to rearrange Instagram post. So to rearrange your Instagram post, all you have to do after you open your Instagram like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your Instagram, so let's say now I want to move this post to be at the beginning of my post. As you can see now, this image to be at the beginning of my post. All you have to do now, tap on the image. After you open the post like this, tap on this three dot at the top right side and tap on this where it says pin to your profile, the last option. So now if I tap on this back arrow, now as you can see now the image has been at the beginning of my post. So if you want to just rearrange, you can just use method to rearrange the image. For now, there is no any official button for you to rearrange your image on Instagram, so you can use this method to rearrange your email your post on Instagram. Just tap on this three dot and tap on this pin to your profile and tap on this back arrow. So as you can see now, it just moved the image to beginning. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.